Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running Home Assistant in Docker. After logging into the server that's going to be running Docker, we need to install a few prerequisites that Docker requires. We'll add the Docker GPG key, and then add the Docker apt repository, and finally install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. Once the installation completes, we're going to make sure the Docker service is running and add the current user to the Docker group, then re-authenticate the logged in user. Now that we have Docker installed and running, we'll create a working directory for the Home Assistant container, then set ownership of the working directory, and finally use the Docker run command to start the Home Assistant container. Once the Home Assistant image is downloaded and the Docker container is running, open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host, :8123. Enter a name, username, and password for the administrative user account. Then give this server a name and set the location data. Choose any data you'd like to share with Home Assistant, then click Finish. Welcome to Home Assistant running in Docker.